What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Vastking, and we're taking a look at the really awesome Fit M3 fitness tracker. Now, this thing has a blood oxygen monitor and a heart rate monitor built directly into it. It can get up to 7 days of battery life and is IP68 waterproof, so it's great for working out every single day. It's also really nice because it comes in with a 1.65-inch ultra clear and wide display. You get 240 times 295 ppi. It's only 40 grams, so it's very light on the wrists for a smartwatch. And of course, you get a full-on touchscreen with an aluminum alloy frame and adjustable brightness. My favorite thing here is that this thing just looks very sleek. You know, it looks like a traditional smartwatch. It blends right in with all the other watches from Samsung, Apple, whatever. It just looks like your usual smartwatch. Nothing too weird going on here, which I am a big fan of, because sometimes some other watches on Amazon like to make them circular and crazy and just don't look like smartwatches anymore. That's not the case here. Now, because this thing is IP68 waterproof, you can track all your workouts, because it's pretty much, you know, it can deal with sweat and maybe some hand washing and some light water and shower and all that. But don't go too crazy, but it is pretty solid in terms of waterproofing. You also can go ahead and keep going with this all week. You see, you get 30 days on standby, 7 days of usage, and 2 hours of fast charging. So you only need to charge it what I've noticed is around every 4 to 5 days. 7, it can happen, but you know, on traditional usage, that's kind of what seems to happen. But for working out, it's pretty awesome, and you also get 100 official watch faces directly inside of the application. It comes in at black and pink in terms of color, and it runs on Android and iOS and most other smartphones in between. And last but not least, my ultimate favorite thing about this smartwatch is, of course, the fact that it's just really awesome in terms of measuring things like your steps, your heart rate. It can serve as a sedentary reminder, so it'll tell you when to get up. It can show you the weather, which is cool as well. It has physiological cycle reminders. You can go ahead and set an alarm. You can use it as a flashlight. There's theater mode, and of course, you can use it to find your phone, which is really cool. There's also 8 mainstream workouts built directly into this for walking, running, cycling, basketball, football, badminton, rope swimming, and rope skipping, and swimming. So if you do any of those, you're good to go as well. And last but not least, we also do have sleep monitoring as well, so it'll make sure that you are getting a nice amount of sleep every day. It will take all this data, your blood oxygen, and of course your heart rate, and it will compile it into this beautiful app. And of course, you can go ahead and see and track all of these things without ever needing any other application. Oh no, guys, go ahead and check this out below. It's super awesome for getting notifications, using the apps, working out, whatever you need, and it comes in at a super reasonable price. You can see below. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.